What's up, guys? Okay, y'all. I know it's been a minute I've been in front of this camera, but hey, I'm here. So I started a project probably almost about 2 years ago, for sure a year ago, okay, to redecorate my house. I'm talking about painting, moving pieces around, reorganizing my rooms and all that good stuff. And instead of doing one room at a time, which normal people should do, and apparently I'm not normal, I did the whole freaking house. So I'm going to slowly start revealing the changes I've made in my house. Hopefully, if I can find old videos of how it looked before, because I was not even really filming or videoing, recording the whole process that I thought I was doing. So, but I'm gonna try to get that together for you guys. But in the meantime, I want to show you like my reorganizing and cleaning process. Because when you start redesigning or redecorating your home and changing and moving items around, you have a catch-all room, which is it catch all the mess or all the items that are misplaced or don't actually have a new place yet. So that's what happened to my son's room, as well as my craft room. So this video is going to show just a quick before and after of my craft room, okay? And how it looks with it being a catch-all room to how I reorganized and cleaned it up. So that's what you're about to see right now, guys. So enjoy. And don't forget, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. And of course, like what we're talking about. Okay, guys. Second quick little makeover. Because you know what? I ain't about to do this whole room. I'm not even finna lie to you. But look at it, y'all. Can y'all tell I got problems? So y'all already seen this room already made over. This is my beloved craft room, okay? And it used to look nice, you know what I'm saying? Until your girl started just like buying new equipment and just running out of room and not organizing as I buy, go, what have you. So anyway, this is the area that I'm going to be working on today, guys. So this computer desk mess, you see all that mess? The paint, because I spray painted this Jones, it's scraping off. So tip of the day, don't spray paint no functional furniture that you're going to be using quite often. The Jones will rub out. Let's look at it close. Let's look at it close. Bam. Ugly. You're leaving. You're getting out my house, okay? So anyway, so I'm going to swap out some things. Always what? Shop your house first. Okay, tip number 2, shop your house before you go buy some old junk and then your room end up looking like this. Don't do it, y'all. Don't do it. Okay, so I'm going to try to use this piece of furniture. Put that Jones on that. Then y'all see. I'm going to explain all that. But I just wanted to give y'all a preview before I do what I do. How about that? Okay, guys, and this is the finished results for now. Yes, I got a big old congrats in here because I needed it to congratulate my own self. But, y'all, this took me 500 years. I'm not going to lie to you. Because the main issue is finding a place. In a place that already got everything already, items and your space already. So you see, I updated my pegboard, which I love, and I just bought new hooks and everything. So I'm going to start transferring these items into these little little baskets and areas, so it can just look more organized. Now this room is not 100% finished. I just needed to get it clean, okay, guys, and get stuff relocated, which I did. And what I wanted to say, I just switched up a little things like this area. I switched up because that's my paper area. So now I can reach and get stuff without like, okay, what's in here? And I put in the basket right here things that I actually use. And then this drawer kind of be just like for storage. Then I reorganize my books. Now, this is like part of my favorite area of this room is this little shelf. Hello, kitty. Hey, you know I love Hello Kitty. In this area over here is not staying like that either. But I just needed it to have a place for now. Boop, boop. My ribbons. Yes, that is not the right date. Okay. So, y'all get the gist. I'm very happy with the results in everything. So there you have it, guys. The finished results of my craft room so far. Now, I do have other plans. That will be phase 2. And changing up some things. I want new storage containers. This new display, the way I display my items so it could be more functional. And of course cute. You know what I'm saying? I'm all about that cute factor. Okay. So, but that is going to be a later project. I'm not in no rush to do that as of now. Because I got 100 other rooms to get together, guys. So hopefully y'all can join me on this journey of getting my house all the way together as well as my life. How about that? So there might be new little segments within my channel because I want to bring into not just DIY projects. I want to do more shopping videos. I want to do more health, hair related videos. You know, this channel, because I have other channels out there that I do not utilize. So I kind of want to combine them all together. But I do want to hear from you. Is that something y'all interested in? Because I know y'all do like my DIY videos and all that. Would that, be too distracting? So just let me know. You know what I'm saying? Let me know. But until then, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So hit that bell to let you know when your girl is on. And also hook that like up as I mentioned before. Okay, guys? Until next time, deuces.